So good morning guys. I was requested to make a video because I hadn't made one in a while, but if you look you can see why. Winter is in full steam in Pretoria, and there's a lot of stuff showing browning leaves. The vines that come out annually are busy dying back a little bit. We've obviously mulched a lot. Got a bit of sphagnum here to protect the layering of the plants, and we've got rabbit manure and vermicompost in here. There's a few imported syngoniums that are starting to show growth. That's a dead leaf, but still a long way to go. That's a new leaf as well. I think it needs a bit of water, but today is really not a bright and sunny day. Okay, let's go to the back there. The begonias are starting to throw off leaves. Some of them really grow nice and big. This one's flowering. As you can see, that's a female flower. It's a male flower up at the top. Okay. So I take extensive cuttings from this plant, as you can see, and it just continues to surprise me. This Hoya will probably flower again soon from that peduncle. Yeah, so this all needs to be cut off, but I just wanted to drop its leaves first. It makes it a lot easier. We've got pots growing all over that actually need cuttings taken from them. This is Begonia Black Taffeta. It's actually a huge plant. Look at the size of that stem. You can really see, but it's really thick if you look at my thumb compared to the leaf. And this is one of the red syngoniums, Philodendron Renoxii. I've got a lot of props that I've put up all over, which include begonias. Got Hoyas trailing all over. Pro boxes that we're trying to let Rhapidophoras and stuff grow in. And look how dark that Hoya serpens is, but she's thriving. Okay. In here we've got a variety of things. This is the Brevimosa pink there. You can see, no, I've taken out the Hoya serpent, so I've taken out, she's in the box there. As you can see, these leaves are covering everything. The Schlumbergera are starting to push out buds, so that's good. These were also a lot of begonia props that seem to be doing okay. You know what, I just thought I just let them go. They if they want to flourish, they'll flourish. Yeah, I've broken off some leaves there because it engulfs the rest of this bed. This is an opportunistic plant. I didn't want it there in the first place, so yeah. So here we have trays of plants, different things. A lot of it's gone out because there was the rare plant fair and people came to buy stuff from WhatsApp sales and things. So I really need to sort everything out. As you can see, even the Persian shield is not looking too happy at the moment. Down here, I still got to plant that thing. Sorry, and I just recovered from the flu, so my voice is not so good. This is Begonia Crackling Rosy, and I'm so happy to see that she's pushing out new leaves. At the back there's also some begonias. And then we have a cat up there on the roof. Come! Come! They're very naughty. They come in, and then when I want to close up, then they don't want to come out. Okay, so as you can see, there's trays and things on the ground. Lots of work to be done here. Things yellowing from seasonal changes, not from neglect or anything. Pre-composting for my vermiculture. Okay, let's go here. We've got a variety of warriors and they seem to be happy because they're pushing out new growth. There's a few strings of things. Lots of syngoniums, different ones, a few syndapsis. And a cat moaning in the background, as you may be able to hear. That thing at the back there is a massive Tridescanthia. It's a striped one. Hey, Boyd! Still trying to find out how he can break in. Down here, all more prop boxes. Oh, that's just the strawberry begonia. Then we've got more syngoniums there. What do we have here? We've got more props on the go, mostly begonia. And then down here we have more stuff. As you can see, the warriors seem to be happy. This is silver dollar. There's more props. Void! Come! Void! Okay, he's called Void because he's pitch black. But we didn't give him the name. He arrived with the name. Okay, I see this is not a very happy chappy. Begonia. Here's its name. Timai. Anyway, it'll come back. See, there's a new leaf at least. Syngonium. Then these were tissue cultures that I've just put you in the pro box just to acclimate and get along, but I think they need some feed, some nutrition. This is begonia. This is oxalis. Then we have our variety of monsteras, but quite a lot of them have been sold out. Most of these I'm not selling at the moment. Mushroom Bergera. I think by the weekend they should be ready to take to market, because in the state they are at the moment, I really can't tell for sure what the color is, because some of them are have multiple colors. And then there are just props and things. It's a really sad looking tunnel at the moment. Yet the Woya rigida is carrying on like crazy, pushing out new leaves. Another Persian shield looking sad and sorry. This is a lovely begonia, Bachensis. So we are. This you won't believe, it's just in one tiny little 9 centimeter pot. There's the pot at the bottom. And it does this, it sprawls. And now we have 2 cats on the tunnel. Woya Matilda's carrying on nicely. We have Woya Matilda splash somewhere. Oh, and I see it's making peduncles. Can you see there? Oh, where? There. Underneath. And then I saw another one somewhere there. There. There's another peduncle coming out, so that should be nice. They make nice white flowers. There's another peduncle coming. So we seem to be quite happy. I've taken extensive cuttings from all of these Pathos plants. So I'm letting them grow a bit now. And then these monsteras that go like this, I don't worry about the leaf. Once summer starts, I cut it back and I propagate the nodes only. It's senseless trying to like nurse a plant back to health that's lost all its leaves. And you just have this long tendril and it really looks sad. So yeah, my daily walkthrough involves removing the yellowing leaves so that I can actually see what's left and what's going on. So I've got a few myrtle splashes growing. You can see there. So this is the condition that the leaves were in originally, and the newer leaves are looking darker and more variegated. So I'm happy about that. Shows me my soil is good. Here's begonia fireworks. I thought it was like strictly a Rex, but I see it sort of makes a type of a stem there. It's definitely going to be propped a lot in the summer, not now. Okay, yes, the begonia with the white tip, and there's a lot of weeding to be done. Okay, at the back that's also quite a nice big begonia. And this is Cowardly Lion. It's a lovely plant. This one is Yellow Sapphire. It's also begonia. This is Arabian Sunset, I do believe. So I've seen some people call it midnight. This one looks a bit as if it needs a bit more nutrition, but that's actually Begonia Sinbad. When it's growing nicely and it's really established, it's a fabulous plant. This one has got black velvety leaves. Now, as you can see, this is Pink Surprise. There's another one. These are nice. Yeah, so these are actually my mother plants. And even though some of them look sad, they generally do come back. Yeah, there's a lot of organizing to be done, and that's why I'm so quiet on the group and on the sales, because I need to do this all on my own. We missed some pro boxes. I have no idea what's in this one. Oh, nothing much. I've been trying to pot up the stuff and take it into the grow tents. There's a few things that might need attention today. So these are doing well, and they put out roots. Look at that root. The plant's only yay big, but it's already on to the next root. This one's supposed to be a Deliciosa mint. Doesn't look very minty at this stage, but we'll see how it goes. There's a lemon and lime at the back there. This is the yellow Marilyn. There's also a Aurea, and at the back's also Aurea. But the variegation is like, I need to watch it before I really start multiplying them. Here's another one of those Hoya myrtles with a splash. And look at the size of this leaf. And clearly it's growing, but yeah, I think it sacrificed a few of its tendrils. That's definitely not, yeah, well, not its own, different ones. So it looks like 1 out of 4 survived there. This is Hoya Chowky, also busy making the peduncle. It's a very, very fast grower, and readily, it blooms very readily. Hoya Chowky. And then more Syngoniums. Okay, so this is what the greenhouse looks like at the moment. A bit disappointing. I need to do something with this monstera. It cannot stay here. It's taking up way too much real estate in here. But as I said, I first need to chop this off and see what's going on, and then do it in a way that I don't damage my Hoya australis too much, because it's been flowering and I don't want to cut off the peduncles. Okay, so I'll do the rest of the garden and the inside on a different video.